I'm going to take you about how I prepare biryani. So I will take you every step, a bit by a bit. I want to share with you how the ingredients that I usually use. There are people who asked for biryani recipe. So today it's our 2024 first day, January 2024. So I'm preparing chicken biryani for my family so that we can enjoy our new year. So if you're new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of three. I does content on cooking, cleaning, and basically on making. So those who asked me to take you through a biryani recipe, today we are going to have chicken biryani recipe. So stay tuned, and if this the kind of content you love, kindly stick by, and let's enjoy this biryani recipe together. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm starting by with this. This is pilau mixture, kwa Kiswahili inaitwa njira. So I've just roasted it and then I've pounded it. This one. And then we have green peppers. These are green peppers. Hoho. And then I have parsley. That is dania. I have coriander leaves. Then I have carrots. Then I have gourgets, 2 gourgets. Then I have tomatoes. These are tomatoes. Then I have mala. This is mala, fermented one. Then I have this. This is ginger and garlic. Yes. Then I have this is onions, red onions. Then I have 1 full chicken. And then I have potatoes. So basically this is what we are going to have for biryani stew. So we are going to have this. So stay tuned and see how I will take you step by step. Now let's get started with blending. I just want to blend these stuffs, all of them. So stay tuned and see how. So guys, I'm starting by blending the tomatoes. So I'm blending the tomatoes, guys.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
So I've already deep fried the potatoes, so I'm just going to let them simmer like fry like for 10 minutes so that the color can be strong to the potatoes, sorry. So yes guys, so it's all about that. No more talking, just follow the procedures and you'll be in a better place. Yeah, no more talking about this video because everything is self-explanatory. So the tomatoes are almost, as you can see over there, the tomatoes are almost, guys. Yeah, biryani is the easiest meal you can make for your family during the festive, during holidays, during birthdays. Yeah, so this is what we had with my family during the Happy New Year day. So I decided to surprise them with a chicken biryani. So it's all about that. No, it's not a big deal. It's not that expensive. The ingredients are affordable. It's whatever we have in the kitchen. So the potatoes are ready. So I'm just going to deep fry the chicken. The last procedure of the deep fry is the kitchen. So I'm just going to deep fry the chicken over there, so no more talking about it. So you'll see how I mix everything. So it's all about that, guys. Stay tuned till the end of this video and enjoy. I hope you enjoy and give this video a thumbs up.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. Turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight.
I've mixed everything, so I'm just going to place in the cooker the mixture and let it cook like 30 minutes and the chicken stew biryani will be ready. So stay tuned and see how it turned out, guys.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna.
It is very delicious. Till the next video. Bye bye.